The Smoothie Diet is a digital program to help you get in shape within just 3 weeks with just smoothies. The balance of nutrients and the schedule for consumption will help you in that. When we talk about smoothies, we mean lots of plant-based gifts of nature. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, protein, carbs, phytonutrients, antioxidants, fibers, etc., with almost no fat. Altogether, they are healthy, tasty, and filling, the 3 qualities that perfectly complement your weight loss journey. So, going on a smoothie diet can be an excellent start to a lifelong journey of mindful eating. By following a diet plan that replaces 2 to 3 of your daily meals with smoothies in a well-researched schedule, you will be able to shed off extra fat and reduce weight, decrease your chances of chronic diseases, limit your exposure to the standard American diet's toxicity, get a natural path to healthy skin and hair. The Smoothie Diet is a program that will help you understand how to use smoothies perfectly to begin your fitness journey. Plus, they are super easy to make and carry around with you. Pros: low-calorie smoothie meals with natural ingredients. Makes grocery shopping easier with shopping lists. Quick and easy meal preparation and consumption. Noticeable loss of weight and fat in less than a month. Excellent way to improvise skin, hair, and body. Cons: diet rich in carbohydrates, though all of it is complex and natural. Must start mindful eating habits to sustain the results of the diet. Only available for sale on the official website. The diet indeed brings a drastic change to your body by cutting down calories and fat. But you have to ensure that you get some lean protein and good fats to prevent muscle loss and boost metabolism. You will also have to remember that replacing all meals with a liquid diet for the rest of your life is not viable. That doesn't mean you can return to your toxic eating habits right after the program. Failing to maintain a healthy diet plan will make you regain the fat. But that's normal for any diet plan. You can't treat any of them as a quick path to a lifetime of fitness. As is true in the case of any short-term diet plan, the Smoothie Diet too needs to be followed by mindful eating. If you notice weight gain, you can again go back to the diet. Components of the Smoothie Diet. What's in it? The Smoothie Diet is more than just a digital book with smoothie recipes. It contains weekly shopping lists, a 21-day schedule, details about what to prepare each day, a detox plan, and a guide. If you're familiar with the 28-day keto challenge, you'll know exactly what you are getting into. The Smoothie Diet package includes a 3-week program for weight loss and health improvement, 36 smoothie recipes to replace solid meals, shopping lists for every week, preparation guide with tips on preparing smoothies, 3-day detox program to be followed before the 21-day plan. Quick start guide that condenses everything into a fast-track list. Everything will be in digital format so that you can access all the information using your PC, phone, or any mobile device, no matter where you are. So, while traveling, you can carry everything with you. It also means that you will not have to wait for weeks for the physical copies of the books to arrive. If you need a hard copy of the information, you simply need to print out a copy of the Quick Start Guide. Lab tests to prove the effectiveness of the Smoothie Diet. Studies showed that abdominal visceral fat can cause life-threatening ailments like lung disease, fatty liver disease, and more. Understandably, losing weight and reducing fat are essential for a healthy body. Experts say that, in order to be healthy, eating right is more important than exercising. So, what could be a better and healthier way to start a fitness journey than eating healthy, natural foods? There are extensive studies in support of eating fruits and vegetables for health benefits. Green smoothies offer a protective effect on our body, while fruit smoothies provide energy and fullness. The WHO suggests consuming 5 portions of fruits and vegetables. That's because their health benefits can range from reduced risk of cancer to protection against cataracts. They can even change your skin. What's more, studies have also proven the importance of fruits and vegetables in weight loss. Clearly, the Smoothie Diet is no shortcut to weight loss. It is a science-backed approach towards healthy living. Shipping, return, and refunds. Since the Smoothie Diet is an entirely digital program, there will be no components shipped to you. You'll gain access to the program within a few minutes of making the payment. This gives you the chance to start with the program right away. You can shop for the week on the day of purchase and start the very next day. Download the PDF files and print anything you need like a book. If you're not satisfied with the program and don't see any results, you can request a refund within 60 days of purchase. This makes it risk-free and shows that Drew has faith that his program will work.